Hello, islanders and global viewers. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your support. New viewers, welcome. Today we are doing a special style for you, and this involves Coca-Cola. Yes, you heard that correct. Stick around. Okay, guys, today's recipe is a bit of a surprise. I'm going to call it chicken surprise because, in fact, it's just a different style, but a specific name is yet to be found. So what we have here today is a half a chicken, which we'll be using for a chicken surprise. And we have Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola, oh yes. Don't you just love Coca-Cola? Maybe you haven't seen it this way before, but that is actually the surprise in our recipe today, the Coca-Cola. We are adding a little paprika. This is our oyster sauce. Here it is, our soya sauce. Then we'll be using onion, one whole onion, a few cloves of garlic, a piece of ginger, some pimento berries. That's it. I'm gonna use a little butter as well, but I guess you can imagine what the butter would look like. So here we're going to get right into the preparation of this dish. As a matter of fact, before we get into the preparation of this dish, I want to share something with you about the chicken. Okay? Chicken is one of those things that it's fairly easy to prepare generally, and it is versatile, but you need to pay attention to cleaning it properly. You clean up your chicken properly. I'm going to do the flip side so that you just see it. On the inside here, these places, I only have some little red pieces here and there. You clean it out properly, and you can wash it off with a little lime or vinegar as you like. Okay, ensure that it's free of any little feathers and things like that. So you have to clean it up properly. Okay, this has already been cleaned up with a little bit of vinegar, and so we're ready to prepare it now. Okay, stay with me. Okay guys, we're gonna start by just cutting up this garlic here and the onion and the ginger. All right, we're gonna start by just cutting up the seasoning here, the garlic. We're not cutting this too fine because it will be in the pot for a while, so it doesn't have to be minced so much. All right, just barely cutting them in two. All right, then the ginger. Onto the ginger, some thin slices. Yes, just like that. Onto the onion. You can use one large onion. All right, now we're heading over to the pot now. Okay guys, we've preheated this saucepan, and now we're going to just add about a tablespoon of vegetable oil. We're going to be putting in the garlic. garlic, releasing the flavors in the oil. It's time for the ginger. I keep doing this for another minute. Add it in our onion. You can add most of it now and leave a little bit for when it's cooking down, a little more. When the chicken starts cooking down a little more, we can add the rest. Oh, this smells so good. The ginger and the garlic with the onion, that smells really so good. It's opening up my appetite already. Yes, it is. You know, Jamaicans really love chicken. If you have a restaurant and you don't have chicken on the menu, quite likely you won't be having any great sales. You might sell something, but really have a restaurant in Jamaica without chicken on the menu, that's not happening at all. So it's just another way you can have your chicken. I'm sharing this with you, and I'm calling it chicken surprise, because what a surprise it is to know that one of the ingredients we're adding here, usually we drink it but we don't really cook with it. Adding a tablespoon of butter. Now it's time to add our chicken. Wow, lovely. Just right, sitting in the pot at the right angle. Now let it stay on this side for about 5 minutes before I turn it over. Now I'm going to turn this over now. It smells really delicious. This is another yummy in your tummy recipe. Just trying to get the flavor of the seasoning into it before we add anything else. Gonna make another flip. Alright, see that? That's right. And believe me, this chicken is beginning to feel kind of soft already. So you know what we're gonna do next, guys? Can anybody guess what's next? Add in our pimento berries. There we go. Add in just about a tablespoon of soy sauce. Now adding our oyster sauce. We're using again about 2 to 3 tablespoons of this oyster sauce. Did you have your color that we haven't added any salt? Because the oyster sauce is quite salty, and so is the soy sauce. Alright, wow, this smells like nothing you've ever smelled before. Now it's time for the Coca-Cola. That's it, the Coca-Cola. You want to add just about half of this bottle, which is like 270 milliliters. Alright. Now that we've added the Coca-Cola, we're going to just cover it and let it simmer for about 5 minutes. Alright, now we're gonna flip this over for another 5 minutes. Alright, on the other side. Great. Alright, easy does it. Wow, this is feeling so tender already, guys. Feeling so tender to the touch. I'm gonna give you a little demonstration. Let me show you how tender this is. See that? Yes, it's getting soft already, yeah? That's it. Don't want to prick it too much to let all the juices just flow out. Want to keep them in. So cover it again for another 5 minutes. I think I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit more paprika on this side while it's up. Now we'll cover it for another 5 minutes to just cook through on that side also. Okay guys, here we are. Wow, this is nicely simmering. Look at that. It's doing really well. Smelling awesome. The smell is something else. Now that it's been boiling for about 10 to almost 15 minutes in this sauce, we're going to add a cup of water. Because we want this to be cooked good properly, so we're adding out water now. Just about a cup. And at this point I'm going to add the rest of the onion that I had left back. And then I'm going to cover it down and leave it to simmer until it is reduced to a sauce. I want to take you through that journey with me, right? But for now, all you'll be seeing is that we're covering this nicely. We've added the water because we want it to cook right through, okay guys? Cover it. And keep checking on it every 10 minutes or so, and turn it over while it's reducing to a sauce. Okay guys, this seems like it's all ready. This chicken surprise is ready for the taking. That sauce is perfectly ready now. Just look at it. Oh yes. It's lovely. Wow. This is right down to a sauce now. Time to serve it up for you. Smells delicious. Okay guys, time to remove our chicken from the pot. Okay guys, we're gonna just slice a nice little piece of this chicken. Oh wow, so delicate, it just leaves, just separates us so easily. Awesome. I'm gonna be laying this chicken down and a little bit of lettuce. Adding a little rice now. Oh, awesome. And some tomatoes. Lovely. My hands are clean, guys. Don't worry about that. Awesome. Look at that. Come look at this. Come look at this. Now, if you like this recipe, guys, remember to give us a thumbs up, share, and subscribe. Until next time, ciao.